You should never check a bag when traveling. It's a principle that I've always lived by and I continue to preach. With all of the amazing bags on the market today, it's easy to find one that's going to fit your style as well as your functional needs. Today, I have an updated version of one of my personal favorites. It's the Panda Pack 2.0 from Pioneer Carry. And first, I want to check out the specs, then I want to look at what's new compared to the first version, and then we're going to pack it up for a 2-week trip to see what can fit inside. Feel free to scroll around the video as you see fit. And if you're new to the channel, I'm Alex, and on Out in the Lights we talk about things like backpacks, travel gear, everyday carry. If you're into that kind of thing, be sure to comment, like, subscribe, yada yada yada. Let's get into it. I'm really excited to be checking out the Panda Pack 2 today because the first iteration of this bag is one of my favorites for longer trips. And if you don't know the brand Pioneer Carry, they're a San Francisco-based company making super high-quality travel and everyday carry gear like wallets, pouches, and backpacks. Links in the description. The Panda Pack 2.0 comes in at 17.5 inches by 8 inches by 11.5 inches with a total capacity of 25 liters, and the bag weighs 2.7 pounds. It's made with Mandarin 840D, which is a premium super fabric made from 100% nylon. The bag comes in 3 different colorways and is going to run you $395 US. Before we check out what's new with the 2.0 version of this bag, I just want to throw up on the screen some of the bag's many features. Carry-on compliant, fits most 17-inch laptops, laptop pocket padded on all sides, removable luggage tag, internal key leash, removable handle wrap, large YKK Vislon zippers, 10mm EVA padded shoulder straps, heavy-duty luggage strap on back panel, triple padded back panel, and it stands on its own. So Pioneer did something really cool when designing the updated Panda Pack 2.0. They listened to their customers. Through feedback, Pioneer made minor tweaks to the original Panda Pack to create a bag with features that people are asking for. And some of those include a new suspended laptop design, extra durable mesh, tapered tailoring shape refinements, dual laptop zipper pulls, taller side pockets, and thicker padding for the shoulder straps and the back panel. And with all these new changes, the price tag has stayed exactly the same, which is pretty impressive. So more importantly, let's check out what's going to fit inside this bag for a 2-week trip. Remember, everybody packs differently, so be sure to envision what you would bring along as I pack this thing out. So that's going to be the Panda Pack 2.0 from Pioneer Carry. Let me know in the comments what you think about this bag. Do you think it's going to fit everything you'll need for a 2-week trip? Is it too expensive for how simple it is? Do you even like the look of this bag and its chunky zippers? Let's discuss. I want to talk about this one. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Here's what's on my turntable this week.